Hi, I'm Jennifer Felton. I am the facilitator for the Cardiac Teaching Kitchen here at My Michigan Health. And with me today is...
Hi, I'm Liz Batts. I'm a registered dietitian here at My Michigan. And today we have really a 2-ingredient cookie, but we've added a couple more to make it more festive for the holidays. We will be using just bananas and oats as our base, and we are adding some chocolate chips, some cinnamon, and some low sugar dried cranberries. To start, we're just going to take just 2 bananas. So we're just going to open them from the bottom and drop them into our bowl. Tend to not get as many strings if you peel from the bottom. And then we'll just take our fork and we'll just mash them up. So with this cookie, we're getting some fiber from our bananas as well as our oats. So we're going to mix this some more as we get our rest of our ingredients in. Next, we're going to add some quick oats. So we're going to add 1 cup of quick oats and mix that together. Next, we're going to add our cinnamon, only about a half a teaspoon. If you want a little bit more cinnamon, you can definitely add more.
This is where the Christmas smell comes in.
Yes. Next, we're going to add some dried cranberries. We're using 50% less sugar, reduced sugar, the cranberries. We're also getting a lot of good fiber from our cranberries as well. Next, we're going to be adding just a little bit of semi-sweet chocolate chips. And we're only going to add 2 tablespoons.
Is this an easy recipe to double if you wanted to?
Yeah, we don't have anything like baking soda or baking powder. Doubling is pretty much easy, you just double. Now I'm just going to make sure everything is well mixed. One thing you want to make sure is that we have our baking sheet well oiled so that way they don't stick. We are going to have to form these into our cookie form because they're not going to spread in the oven. So I just am going to use our tablespoon that we've already used, and I sort of portion these out into 6 piles on here, 6 cookies. And then once I use all of it, we'll smash it down and sort of make it into that cookie form. So now that these are all formed, we're going to pop these in a 350-degree oven and let them bake for about 15 minutes.
Yeah, what I like about this is it's very quick.
All right, so these are the finished cookies.
Well, thanks for being with us today. We hope you try our Heart Healthy Christmas cookie. Wishing you a Merry Christmas
And happy holidays.